Welcome to the University of Cape Town Libraries How-To series. This video will show you how to use the Juta database to search for legislation. The Juta database is a tool used to search for your case law, statutes, or any other legal-related sources. Visit the University of Cape Town Libraries page at lib.uct.ac.za. Then select the Brand van Zyl Law Library from the Libraries and Collections drop-down list. Select the Quick Links Law Databases. A list of databases will appear. Select the Jutastat Publications hyperlink. You may be prompted to sign in with your student number and password. On the Juta landing page, you will note the contents to the left, with folders containing additional subsections per topic. At the top left of the screen, you will see an advanced search drop-down as well as a general search option. When selecting Choose Advanced Search Forms, you will select the option for Act Search. The search for acts by name or number and year, optionally section number page, will allow you to conduct your search by entering information in the fields available and has examples on the right should you be unsure of the format. An act search can be conducted by entering the act name or act number and year, with the section details as optional. You can also select the language for either English or Afrikaans. Let's look for the following act. Children's Act 38 of 2005. Children's Act would be the act name. 38 refers to the act number. 2005 refers to the year of the act. In the act name field, you will add Children's Act and then select Search. The results will then appear and you will select the result that matches your act citation. The act details will appear and you can then select the View Full Act hyperlink and the Download PDF icon should you wish to save the act to your device. If you need more help, please contact any of the law librarians. Also check out the other videos in the How To series. Thank you for listening.